Mariam Mahmood, creu chydig o le iddi hi hun ac yn tanio am gol gan Mahmood yn ei gêm gyntaf i Wrecsam.
Mariam Mahmood, it's so lovely to meet you and thank you for having us here at The Rock, Wrexham Women's official new home. How much are you enjoying playing for Wrexham in your first season with the club?
When Jenny got announced as head coach in the summer, I feel like it was kind of just like a no-brainer. It was a new challenge, it was a new start. And when Jenny told me about the visions of the club, like, I couldn't turn it down.
How would you describe kind of the feeling around the club since you've joined?
The plans that they've set, like you can physically see it happening. Like for example, the Rock is getting turned into our training facility and home pitch, so that's now ours. Been at clubs where, you know, maybe the men's team are a priority, but here you feel like the women's team are just as a priority. When kind of the club are investing in you and as a team, like you're going to want to invest in them, and it's like kind of like a both-way thing. So when I was actually younger, I didn't enjoy football.
Really?
No, so I didn't.
How come?
So I had a very like male-orientated family. Like they were all boys, and they used to just live off football. So when they stick the football on, I used to think, oh my god, like again. Start of secondary school where I thought like I'm actually enjoying this now. So my dad looked at some local grassroots team and I joined one. It was called Cuford Eagles, and I had a season there, and then after that he put me forward for some academy trials without even telling me, by the way.
No way.
Just put me forward to some academy trials.
Then.
No, and he was like, you know, just go, and if you get in, it's good. If you don't, like, we just see where you are like, in terms of levels. So I got into West Brom when I was 12, 13. Didn't know where it was going to take me, but I just wanted to play football, and I think that's probably when I realised like I do want to do this more than just like a hobby or just for fun. And I got into the first team. I think I was like 16, 17.
That's so young.
I know. When I look back, and I remember when I first joined the first team, I was like, oh my god, these are like really grown women, like they're massive. I did feel really young, but I think that only just pushed me to grow. I trust Jenny, and I assume she probably trusts me. She developed me a lot when I was so young, and that was like an important part of my life. She's a good enough manager for me to follow her to a different country.
Just before Christmas, you won an award.
Oh yeah.
Elite female athlete at the Muslim Sports Awards.
Yeah.
I mean, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Were you expecting it as well?
No, I wasn't. I had a bit of like imposter syndrome when I was on the stage, because I think sometimes you're just so caught up in the moment that you don't actually have time to sit and like process like where you've come from. For me, it was kind of like a moment of realisation that I have actually done really well for myself, and you know, all the tough times that I've gone through, like it's been worth it. It's not the most like stereotypical job for like a Muslim, especially a female. But I had a really supportive family, so my dad especially, like he was like, if this is what your passion is, like we're going to push you towards it. Sometimes there's like some background noise, but the further I've gone into it, the less the background noise has been. I did go to Pakistan in the summer, and coming back from that, I think like I've grown as a person.
Yeah, I'm desperate to ask you about this because you represented your national team. How much did that mean to you? Did it feel a bit surreal?
I don't think there's a word to like describe that feeling. Playing and representing like the country and like singing the national anthem, and you know, like so many people watching, it was just insane. After I represented Pakistan, I think like that's probably where my story got out more. So when I received like my first DM of like a young girl just asking me, you know, like how do I get into it, where do I start? I think that's when I realised I do have that impact to like inspire other players and you know, kind of make a pathway for them, because I had my dad luckily, but some like girls may not have that. So yeah, I just want to be there as much as I can for them.
The Adron Trophy final against Cardiff.
I've not won a piece of silverware before, so this would be like massive, and I think it'd be a really good confidence boost for the girls, you know, leading on to the league. We do want to be like the best team in Wales. The talent we've got in the squad, the staff, the coaches, like if everyone puts 100% in it, there's no reason why we can't.